This video is sponsored by Wondershare Filmora.
Hi, this is Mike Rankin with CreativePro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to compare two PDF files using Adobe Acrobat. I have my PDF files already open here in Acrobat, and to compare them, I'll go to All Tools, and I'll click View More, and scroll down until I see Compare Files, and I'll go ahead and click that. And now I can select my files that I want to compare. I can use the arrows in between these two thumbnails to decide which is the old file and which is the new file. And I can also use buttons underneath to change the files that I'm comparing, or I can use this pop-up menu as well. There's a select box here to tell it to compare text only, so to ignore changes in graphics and photos. And there's a settings button here where I can define the page range and other options. I'll just leave everything turned on in Show and Report, and I'll go ahead and click Compare. Now, depending on the length and complexity of your files, it might take a little while for Acrobat to complete its analysis. When it's done, a new report is created where you can see the differences in your PDFs side by side, and there's a page-by-page list of the differences over here on the right. So I can see there are 10 changes made in these PDFs, and I can click on any item to jump to it and highlight it. So I have my first change here, where text attributes were changed, so italics was applied to this text. Here I have parentheses that were added around a sentence. And on the next page it says an annotation was inserted and text attributes were changed. And what that means in this case is that a hyperlink was added to the text. Next, I have a few instances where the style was changed. So again, I see text attributes were changed. And then I have an image that was deleted and some text that was deleted. And also note that there's a filter button up here on the top right that you can click and tell Acrobat to only show you specific types of changes. So for example, I can filter by just where text was deleted and click Apply. And that's the only one I see over here on the right. So that's a quick tip for how to use Adobe Acrobat to compare the differences in two PDFs.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.